Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the dark mode customization comparison between all these kind of 5 UIs which I got right now, as you can see friends. So there are 5 different smartphones and 5 different phones with the 5 different UIs as well, obviously. And let's see which UI has got better kind of customization. So this is a new kind of series which I started recently and I'm getting really plenty of response for that. So thank you for all your love and support friends. And in case if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to check the playlist. So I did create a separate playlist for the only UI customization comparison lovers, as you can see. Try to check the playlist friends every day if possible. I'll definitely try to upload the video on this particular topic, which is a UI comparison, so which is kind of really interesting, because I did get a lot of feedback that I'm doing plenty of phone reviews only, not concentrating on the UI customization and the comparison. That is the reason I thought of making this kind of review for most of the users. So let's enjoy friends. In this video let's see which phone has got the better kind of dark mode customization. So let's start with the Samsung's UI, which is a 3.1 UI. So let's see what will be the customization options you can actually enjoy in this kind of smartphone. So let's go to the settings option which is present here. Let me try to go to the display. So first, if you go under the display, you do get this kind of animation and different styles, as you can see. That's another good thing. And let's start the dark mode. So as soon as you start the dark mode, and you do get this kind of option which is a dark mode settings, and here you do have the one option which is a turn on as schedule and adaptive color filter. As you can see, there's another color filter is going on, but there is no option to select individual applications. Yes friends, some UIs they did have this kind of option where you can actually select individual applications. Whatever you install in your mobile phone, everything will be listed down, and you can enable and disable the dark mode individually. In case if you don't want to have the dark mode, you can disable. If you want to have it, you can definitely enable that. But there is no that option which is present in the Samsung One UI at this point, 3.1, as you can clearly see friends. So this is one of the quite disadvantage which I did notice right now. So apart from that, you don't get any much specialty in the One UI, nothing, you don't get anything. So there's only one option which is a schedule. So let's open a couple of applications and just test as a normal. So Instagram should be working as a dark mode, as you can see directly, and the WhatsApp is also working, and the Amazon application is also not working. Amazon, no, it's not working, sorry. So I do know Amazon, no one will be using the dark mode, but just out of curiosity, I'm trying to test a couple of applications, whatever installed, just to see how the dark mode is working or not. In the Google Chrome, it's implemented properly, as you can see. It's perfectly implemented. In the Flipkart, it's not working. And let's see the Twitter. In the Twitter also, it's not working. As you can see, it's not working. So these are the few things friends, or not all the applications can actually support this kind of dark mode, but Play Store is also working. Only few applications which are kind of limited, and maybe YouTube, some of the applications which are popular, only those will be able to work in the Samsung's One UI 3.1. So these are quite disadvantage, and that is what with the One UI. So let's move to the Oxygen OS from the OnePlus or Nord CE device, which I'm trying to use right now as an example. The first phone is a Samsung Galaxy M51, which I did use. And let's see in the OnePlus Oxygen OS what can be there, what are the options we can expect in the dark mode customization. Let's tap here in the dark mode, and there's an option which says manually. As you can see, you can turn on the manual dark mode and turn on automatically as well. Enable from the sunset to sunrise, customize the time range, that's good. So there's a schedule dark mode, which if you want you can implement that, and manage apps in dark mode. This option is another thing which is present in the OnePlus Oxygen OS device, as you can see UI. So once you tap on that manage apps in dark mode, now you can get individual applications where you can actually enable and disable, as you can see. So this is the way it was supposed to work. Unsupported apps, you will get this kind of list which are not supported, but if you want forcefully, you can enable those options. First let's check the Amazon application, how it's looking as Amazon. So later I'll try to enable it and I'll try to show you what is going on. So by default the Amazon application is not showing anything, as you can see there is no dark mode enabled. But let's try to enable the dark mode and let's see what will happen. So I did turn on the Amazon application right now. Let me open the Amazon application immediately. As you can see friends, right now Amazon application went into the dark mode little bit, as you can see clearly. So which is kind of not that great, but in case if you want to have the dark mode, still you can have it in the Amazon application as well. As you can see friends, clearly you are getting this kind of dark theme in the background everywhere. That's another one interesting thing that's really good. So at least you have the option. So some people they will use, some people they will not use, but having this option is really important for a lot of other users. Even Flipkart also I did enable forcefully using the dark mode. So this is how it looks, the Flipkart in terms of the dark mode comparison. As you can see, if you look at the Flipkart using the dark mode. Sometimes it cannot be that smooth at all. I can understand, but if you want to forcefully use, you can actually use in the Oxygen UI without any kind of problems. That's good. So no issues in the Oxygen OS at this moment. And let's see with the what is the Realme UI 2.0 is doing. Is it doing something special or not? That's what I'm going to compare with other smartphones. So let's go to the display option, which is running the Realme UI 2.0 at this point. So here you do have this kind of neat good animation. So whereas in the OnePlus Nord you don't get that kind of animation. So one thing is that in the Samsung UI and the Realme UI and few other UIs, so first option will be the dark mode. Yes, if you go to the display, the first option will be the dark mode. So but in the Oxygen OS, it's not like that. There is no first option as dark mode. You need to scroll down here. There is an option. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning. And switching to the dark mode, you do get this kind of animation as well. And dark mode settings. And now this is another pro level customization, I would say, in terms of the dark mode. Yes, pro level, because you can actually select what type of darkness you want. Yes friends, I cannot understand like this much of customization. I'm not sure who thought this idea, but it's really great. You used to use this kind of dark mode. Some people, they don't like this kind of much dark. Some people, they like medium. Some people just little bit kind of dark should be kind of fine. So for this kind of users, this is really good option, which is bonus point I can give for the Realme UI in this kind of adding the additional dark mode themes, as you can see friends clearly. And next is adjust the wallpapers. So now we are seeing slightly upgrade version. So which is, before we did not see this kind of option, which is adjust the wallpapers. That's good. Adjust the icons to the dark mode. That's also another bonus advantage. Reduce contrast in the low light conditions. Wow, that's also fantastic. And dark mode for the third party application, which is a beta mode right now. So if you want, you can enable the all applications. And I did see only this two applications, speed test and the zoom application. I cannot see any other applications installed. But let me try to see, out of curiosity, I just want to see how is the Amazon application looks like. Is it dark mode application? It's not applied for the dark mode in the Amazon, and in the Flipkart it's not applied, as you can see. I think there is no option to select the applications individually. So I'm not getting any kind of options friends here. But let me try to open the zoom. What will happen if I open the zoom? So the zoom is open with the dark mode. That's another good thing. But I should be able to see all the list of apps which I installed. So I was unable to see apps that are incompatible with the dark mode or that already taken the dark mode option are not included in the following list. As you can see, there is a quick note also mentioned. So which are incompatible, you don't even see that those applications here friends. You cannot even forcefully use them in this Realme. If it has got that kind of feature where you can actually use all the applications, that's fantastic. That would be like all round points for the Realme UI, but it's losing slightly points, but it gains slight points for having this kind of customization, which is this one, enhanced. This having the special features, as you can see friends. That's another good advantage. So now let's move to the next UI, which is a Fun Touch UI. So it is a Fun Touch UI, which is let's see what will be the Fun Touch UI. Is it fun to use the dark mode or not? So first let's go to the display and let's find the dark mode. I think here dark theme. So which is dark theme. Let me try to enable that. So inside that you do get this kind of animation. So now we got the animation style, as you can see. These are the dark mode, and now you can select the time, sunset to sunrise, and turn on as custom time. You can always select those options. And on some screens, dark mode will use a solid black background, which will help extend your battery life after scheduling. So as you can see, this is a message which you got, and there is no option to select the individual applications even in this Fun Touch UI. So it's not at all fun to use. So this normal theme, like dark theme, you're applying, that's it, not much. So definitely I could have expected this kind of thing where additional applications where you can actually enable forcefully. So I'm just, few users, they will definitely use this kind of options friends, forcefully using the dark mode in their favorite apps. So everyone do not have only the common limited applications as a favorite. They do have their own kind of applications as a favorite. So there should be some kind of customizable, but it's not there in this phone, in the Fun Touch UI. That's another disadvantage right now in the Fun Touch UI. There's nothing much to explore as well in the Fun Touch UI. Now the final UI, let's move to the next is MIUI 12.5. Let's see friends what options we got in this MIUI 12.5, and the phone I'm trying to use is the MI 11X device, and is a display option. And the first option we did see the dark mode. Only two phones, I think only three phones which are having this kind of similarities, the Samsung UI and the Realme UI and the MIUI. They're having the first option as dark mode. That's a good thing. So once you enable that, you do get the scheduled dark mode turn on and off. There's direct options which you select the timers. That's really good. And even in this as well, you do get the option adjust the wallpaper to dark mode, adjust the text and background automatically to dark mode. That's another good thing. I did enable the forcefully the Amazon, and you can enable all the applications whatever you install using the forceful dark mode as well. Let me open the Amazon application. So let's see what is forcefully of the background dark mode. That's what I'm going to compare with the another phone which I can actually use it. So next is the OnePlus Nord. So it is a OnePlus Nord Oxygen OS. As you can see, these are dark mode which it looks. Let me go to the home screen. As you can see, even side by side. So background, even the background got completely dark. You can see in the search bar, it's completely dark. As you can see, friends, clearly what is happening. This is what the MI 11X, MIUI 12.5 did mention. As you can compare between both. Let me open the Flipkart. Let's see how is the Flipkart is looking. So this is how the Flipkart looks. I think in the Flipkart both phones are kind of, you can see the basket. This basket is also turned into the dark mode in the MI11, in the MIUI 12.5. That's another thing. So let's see what is happening here. I'm going to open one of the phone. And same kind of options which I'm getting, same kind of dark mode integrated, nothing much difference, but only couple of areas where the dark mode is slightly kind of integrated more in the MIUI 12.5 version, slightly more. That is what they did mention in this option, which is more dark option individual. As you can see, adjust the text and the backgrounds automatically. This is what they mention. If you don't want, you can definitely disable that option. Let's see what happens if I try to disable. So it's not changing at all in terms of the search bar, everything is same. But all friends, this is a quick comparison between all the dark mode comparison between all the 5 UIs. And what is a unique thing is about which I did not find in any other UI is in the Realme UI, which is having the customizable option. So gentle, medium and enhancement. This is the one option which I did not find in any other UI. This is quite unique, which is present in the right now in the Realme UI particularly, as you can clearly see, friends. So this is one thing which I thought of mentioning. And even remaining thing, adjusting wallpapers, which is also present here, icons as well. That's another good thing which has been added. So overall, the final conclusion is that in the Oxygen OS and in the MIUI 12.5 OS, so you can actually forcefully use the dark mode in any application if possible, if the requirement is there. In these 2 UIs only right now possible. In the remaining 3 UIs, it's not possible. Only few applications are limited to enable this kind of dark mode while using the applications. So thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in the description for more updates. And in case if you love this kind of content, UI comparison, so don't forget to comment below what are your feedback. Definitely I'll be listening to your feedback, and I'll be improving my videos as well every day as possible, so without making you all feel bored. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and keep on watching the playlist which are created only for the UI features comparison, mainly for all the lovers. And thank you for watching, friends. See you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.